The median home sold price for Canyon County for April of 2025 came in at $415,000. That's a modest drop from the $424,995, which is actually down 2.3% from last month. Compared to January of 2024, prices are still up 3.62%. And when we look back to January of 2023, they're up 4.71%. But from January of 2022, they're still down 2.33%. And compared to the market peak in late May, early June of 2022, when prices topped out at $476,382, we're down 12.9%. What this tells us is that while there still was a significant correction after the peak, we're now seeing prices stabilize within a narrower, more sustainable range, and it's been slightly chipping away at the losses incurred during the market correction. Looking at the resale market specifically, existing homes had a median home sold price of $384,990 in April. That's a 3.27% decrease from March's $398. But when we zoom out, the numbers still show a strong trajectory. Compared to January 2024, pricing is still essentially flat. However, we're up 11.95% from January 2023 and is still just 1.28% below January of 2022. From the peak median home price of $425,000, we're still down 9.41%, which means that sellers are no longer pricing for the pandemic highs, but they're also not seeing values collapse. Well-positioned homes are still generating solid activity and closing quickly. The new construction segment showed remarkable stability in this month. The median price for new homes came in at $437,990, which is down just 0.45% from March's $439,990. Over the long term, though, builders are gaining ground. Prices are up 7.53% from January 2024, up 7.34% from January 2023, and now only 5.8% below January 2022's levels. From the peak of the 549, however, we're down 20.22%, but that decline has slowed dramatically in recent months. Rather than adjusting price points aggressively, builders are using targeted incentives, such as interest rate buydowns, design upgrades, and closing cost assistance to maintain their momentum. That approach that they are taking is keeping prices relatively steady without shocking the market.